Unveiling the mystery of behind, mastering prepositions of place. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to crack the code of the preposition behind as we continue our exploration of directional vocabulary. Behind can be a bit tricky, but with some practice, you'll soon be using it like a pro. Remember, prepositions like behind are vital when giving and receiving directions, so let's dive in. The word behind is used to indicate a position at the back of something else. It denotes that one object or person is at the back of another, either directly or generally. Here are some examples. The car is behind the truck. The cat is hiding behind the sofa. Notice that behind tells us where one object is in relation to another. In these cases, the car and the cat are located at the back of the truck and the sofa, respectively. Sometimes, it's easier to understand behind when we compare it to its opposite, in front of. While behind tells us that something is at the back, in front of tells us that something is at the front. Consider these examples. The teacher stands in front of the class. The class is behind the teacher. Here, the teacher is in front. So from the perspective of the class, the teacher is in front of them. Conversely, from the teacher's perspective, the class is behind her. When it comes to giving or receiving directions, behind can be extremely useful. Let's look at some examples. The supermarket is behind the bakery. The parking lot is just behind the building. In these cases, if you are at the bakery or the building, you would need to go to the back to find the supermarket or parking lot. That's all for today's lesson on using behind to indicate positions at the back. Practice makes perfect, so try to use behind when you describe locations or give directions. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. See you in our next video, where we will continue our exploration of directional vocabulary. Happy learning!